Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Again this side your computer teacher Akanksha, and in previous two videos we have completed our chapter 2 file management and data organization. After completing this chapter we just have to do the exercise. So exercise part like fill in the blanks, true and false, application based and MCQs. I will provide you the picture of it. Okay, the link will be available on the eCare portal. Now today we will discuss, hope you all can see, today we will discuss the question answers of chapter 2, and fortunately we are having only 4 questions in this chapter. So first question is, what is a file? And with the file I have added and folder. So question will be, what is a file and folder? And the answer will be on page number 20. I have marked here page number 20. So here is page number 20. See, now in recap point we are having the answer. See here, and the point number 1 and point number 2, file and folder. File is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. And what about folder? A folder is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. This is answer number 1. I hope you get it. Then question number 2 is, what do you mean by file format? Again I am repeating, what do you mean by file format? It is on page number 19. I have indicated here page number 19. So move to page number 19. See here. Yes, the topic is understanding different file formats. We have to just skip 2 lines, and from the second paragraph we will start. Different types of files can be stored in the computer. For example, yes, for example, we can store text documents, image files, presentations, etc. Each type of file has a different file format, means extension associated with it. A file format is the standard way of encoding information in a computer file. It is generally indicated by the file's extension. A file extension contains 3 or 4 letters appended at the end of the file name, separated by the period. Okay, and for example I have written here, for example, the file formats that we use generally are .docx, .xlsx, this also you have to write, .gif, .mp3, etc. So this is answer number 2. Fine. Now again we will go to question and answers. Question number 3 is, the answer is here only of question number 3. So for answer number 3 you can just pause the video and you can just write the answer from here. Write characters that are used to locate files and folders. In case you know only a part of file name, explain the use with the help of examples. So the characters are, they have used, which characters are used to locate file and folder? So the characters are star and question mark. Star and question marks are the characters that are used to locate file and folders. Okay, and then they have asked the example, explain the use with the help of example. So examples are L star dot star dot docx skips question mark dot docx skips star dot question mark. So this is answer number 3. I have written here only. Fine. Now answer number 4, what is the need of sorting the files? How will you sort files on your desktop in the alphabetical order? Yes, we have learnt about how to sort the files. Sorting can be done on the name also, size also, and another features are also there. So they are asking, what is the need of that sorting and how will you sort files on the desktop in the alphabetical order, means with the naming thing. So page number 19 is having the answer. Come to page number 19. Again we are here on page number 19. Sorting files is given there. In sorting file we will start from here. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. Windows let, cut the word U, write V. Windows let us, you have to write us. Windows let us sort files by name, size, item, type and date modified. Sorting helps in easy retrieval of these required files. Till here you will write this is the need for the sorting. Now they have asked how to sort in alphabetical order. So we are having some steps of it. Come down. One line is here, let us sort the files in alphabetical order. Yes. So points are right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the sort by option and click the name sub option. The icons will be sorted in alphabetical order. The diagram is also given here. If you want the explanation, you can understand by the help of diagram that on the we have to just click the right click on the desktop, then one shortcut menu will be there. In shortcut menu, one sort by option is there. When we point the cursor on sort by menu, one sub menu will be there, and in sub menu we just have to click on name and icons will be arranged in the alphabetical order. So till here the answer number 4 is here. Finally our chapter 2 is finished. So 2 chapters now we have finished. Once you can see the exercise also, fill in the blanks also. Moving a file of, first we are discussing fill in the blanks. Moving a file or folder, shifting it from dash to another location, that is source. Dash option is used to change the name of file or folder, that is rename. You can find a file folder by typing the keyword in the search box at the top of every window. Okay, star and question mark are 2 wildcard characters commonly used in searching the information. A file format is a standard way of encoding information in a computer file. Fine. Now true and false. To select a consecutive group of files, click on the control key. So it is false and the right answer is click on the shift key. Now shift plus delete combination deletes a file folder permanently. Yes, it is true. Your file or folder will be permanently deleted with the help of shift and delete. Now in Windows 7 we can display only 2 windows at a time. No, it is false. We can display several windows at a time. The sound file have the extension .mp3. Yes, mp3 is the extension of sound file. So it is true. .docx will star.docx will search all the Microsoft Word files whose name contains only one character. True. Okay. Now next application based question. First answer is L star.star and another answer is show windows side by side. MCQ first answer is control key. Okay. Then MCQ second answer is wildcard, third answer is mp3 and fourth answer is Windows Explorer. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Stay at your home. Stay safe.